Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up parental control on your child's phone, on your child's Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So, first of all, you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device. To do this, open Settings, scroll down, choose Accounts and Backup, choose Manage Accounts, tap on Accounts to remove and click Remove Account, please tap OK, confirm your password or pattern lock. Cool. Now you need to add the child's Google account on child's device. But if child knows the password from his own account, he'll be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link, and therefore as you need to create an account for the child with a password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password to one that he will not know. So press Add Account, Google, enter child's email, and enter child's password. Tap Next. I agree. Wait a while, scroll down, choose Accept. Cool. Now we need to go back, scroll down, and here choose Google. Cool. Now scroll down again, choose Parental Controls, Get Started, Child or Teenager. Next. Choose Add Account. And now you need to log into your account, to parent's Google account. So in my case it will be HardReset.Info 1. Then confirm parent's password. And tap Next. Then scroll down and confirm child's password from his Google account. Tap Agree, Allow, Next. Scroll down and tap Next again. Scroll down, tap Next, skip, and go back to home screen. So now install Family Link to parent's account. So open Play Store and find here Family Link application. I have installed, but I will uninstall it. So install Google Family Link and open. Go down, choose Get Started, choose your parent's account which you add on child device. And now here you will see all child's account connected to your Google account. Here you will see child's account you last add, and choose it. Scroll down, and cool. Here we can see that we have full control of child's device. We can block his phone, we can set up screen time, we can lock separate application. For example, I want to block Google Chrome for the child. To do this, open View All Apps on your device. Wait a while, then scroll down and find here Chrome browser. Then tap on the Send Watch button and tap Block. Wait a while, and as you can see, Google Chrome browser was successfully blocked on the child's phone. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.